Hello guys, today we'll know how to install a MongoDB in your PC. So first open up your browser and click on search bar and type MongoDB download. Go to this link, download MongoDB community server. Click on this. Scroll down, and if you are working on different operating system, you can change from here. If you're working on Mac OS, you can use this, and Ubuntu you can use this according to your variation, and click on download. I've already downloaded. Once you have downloaded, it will show you like this, a window. Click on next. Accept the license and agreement. Click on next. As we are beginner, so we have to download it completely. Don't change anything here. Click on next, and make sure you have checked this. Click on next and click on install. So once the installation has been done, come to your My PC and go to C drive where your Windows is installed. Go to program files. Wait, not this one, this one. And go to MongoDB. Go to server. And this number might get changed for you. This is a version number. And go to bin. Copy this whole path. Go to search bar and search this system environment variables. Click on this, click on path, click on new and add here and click OK. Once you have done this, again come to search bar and open your MongoDB compass and click on connect. So when you have connected, it will show you like a green dot. So if it is showing you a green dot, then you are good to go.